He asked a man for what he couldn't spare, a change in his eyes. And get a job, you fucking slob, is all he replied. And God forbid you ever had to walk a mile in his shoes. Then you might know what it's like to sing the blues. And then you really might know what it's like, what it's like. And then you really might know what it's like. And then they got pregnant from a kid named Thomas, said he was in love. He said you worry about a thing, baby doll, man, you've been dreaming of. And 3 months later, he said he won't date her or return her call. I swear, goddamn, if I find that man, I'm cutting off his balls. She heads for the clinic, she gets unstuck walking through the door. They got her a killer, they got her a sinner, and they call her a whore. But God forbid you ever had to walk a mile in her shoes. 'Cause then you might know what it's like to have to choose. And then you really might know what it's like, what it's like. And then you really might know what it's like. Well, a kid named Max used to get fast stacks out on the corner with drugs. He liked to hang out late, he liked to get shit-faced and keep the pace with thugs. But late one night there was a big gunfight and Max lost his head. He pulled out his chrome 45, talked some shit and wound up dead. Wife and kids are caught in the midst of all the pain. You know it runs their way, at least that's what they say when you play the game. But God forbid you ever had to wake up to hear the news. 'Cause then you